stand on the central axis of spherical of plane mirror. For this problem in table, refer to the type of mirror, tức là chúng ta phải xác định là cái loại gương này. The focal distance F hay là focal length F, the radius of curvature R, mean you should determine radius of sphere. The object distance P, the image distance I, the lateral magnification M, and all distance are measured in centimeters. It all refers to whether G, the image, is real or virtual V, and H, inverted or non-inverted, mean the same directions with the object or opposite directions to objects, and the last I, on the same size of mirror as object or on the opposite size. So you should feel same or opposite. Do you understand what you should do? For the first one, here you have concave spherical mirror, mean the
recording in progress.
Okay, I already admit. So you put the side before 20. Concave spherical mirror, so the radius and focal length should be positive, and you should put plus here. And from the relation between focal length and radius, R equal to F. So you should fill in R column is plus 40. Right. Okay, I should make several lines here to separate. Okay. And now you have the object distance P equal plus 10. It means we have a real object. So you should determine the image distance I from spherical mirror equations. 1 over I equal 1 plus 1 over P equal 1 over F. So what number we should fill here for I? Who can help me? Mai, who do you help me to fill?
Is minus 20.
Minus 20 is correct. Minus 20, okay. And how about the lateral magnification M?
M equal minus I.
Minus or plus? Positive or negative?
Negative.
M if, okay, no. M, you should follow the expression of lateral magnification. M equal
To E to P.
minus I over P, right? Yeah.
So M equal 2.
Okay, positive.
Positive.
Okay. It means the, how do you know the image is real or virtual?
Virtual.
Why?
Because
Because the image distance I negative, so the image should be virtual, right? And the next one, you should specify here inverted or non-inverted. So the magnification is positive.
positive. So it non-inverted.
Non-inverted, so you should find fill here and I, right? And the last one, size, the same or opposite. So we should fill same or opposite. This real image or virtual image, so it should be opposite size. Because the image is behind the mirror, but the object in front of mirror, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So based on the first one and using mirror equations, one over I plus 1 over P equal 1 over F or 2 over R. This spherical equation of spherical mirror and definition of lateral magnification. And you should follow the sine rule for object distance, image distance, radius, and focal length. So who can remind us again the sine rules for I, P, F, M? Lê Anh. Lê Anh đâu? Could you tell us the sine rule for I and P? F, R. Lê Anh. Are you there, Lê Anh? Could you turn on your microphone? Okay.
Can I answer?
Okay.
Yes. The size rule for P if the object is the real object, so we will have be positive, and for
Okay.
virtual object we will have be negative.
Okay.
And it is also apply for I, where the real image is positive and the virtual image is negative.
Okay.
And for F is we will using the and F we apply for the concave and convex. For concave lens, our F
No, lens. Mirror, not lens.
Sorry, mirror. Yes. For concave mirror, we will have a positive focal, and for convex lens, we will have a negative focal point.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
And how about lateral magnifications?
Lateral magnification is depend on I and P. If if the image distance is negative, so the lateral magnification.
No. Not, you should not explain it clearly. You only need to tell us what is when is image and object are the same direction, and when is opposite direction.
For when the lateral magnification is positive, yes, so the image and the object are the same direction. Okay. And for the negative lateral magnification, we will have the object and the image in the opposite direction.
Okay, that's all. Yeah. Thank you. And you should follow the sine rule and the property of image produced by concave and convex spherical mirror. Could you have the next problem? 18. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. 18, we will have the focal length is sorry, I will calculate the image distance first.
Okay, image distance first.
Yes, the image
based
distance
on the equation of lateral magnification. Okay.
We will have
should
that,
I fill here? Okay.
We will have the image distance is 12.
12, okay. Positive or negative?
Negative 12.
Okay. Negative 12. And this meet is virtual or real?
This is virtual.
Why?
Because the image distance is negative, so this is a virtual image due to the definition of image distance.
Okay. I should ask you here, if you don't calculate the image distance, could you tell us why the image is virtual?
If I don't calculate the image distance, we can see on the lateral magnification to tell that this is a virtual image because our lateral magnification is positive, so we can deduce that this is a virtual image.
Okay, because this virtual image produced by convex spherical mirror has the size smaller than the object, right?
Yes.
Okay. And the next, you should fill focal length and radius.
Focal length is according to my calculation, it will be about 1/20 equal to 24, right? Yes, 24.
24 minus or
minus
positive or negative? Minus.
Negative.
Okay. Negative.
Negative 24. Okay. Yes. Because this is a convex lens. Convex mirror. Sorry.
Okay. So you should also fill the side here. No, this positive 0.5, right? Or maybe something here should be changed because you know lateral magnification here, they don't provide the size of lateral magnification. Because you hear P is positive, but if you put the sign here is positive, it means that the image is virtual. However, if we put here minus sign, the image should be real, and the side of mirror should be
convex.
Convex. Okay.
Convex.
But if we put here positives or the lateral magnification positive and smaller than 1, the mirror should be convex, right?
Yes.
And you have here convex. Okay. Could we try to recalculate? Because you have F equal I times P over I plus P, right? Here you have P equal 24 and I equal minus 12 because M equal minus I over P. Okay, so minus 24. And so radius of convex spherical mirror should be 40h, and the size should be opposite, right? So if I put the size here is minus 0.5. So could you solve again? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Can you repeat the question because something had some noise had going into my earphone, so I cannot hear.
So I open a new slide and I assume that I put here I should copy all. So now I put here minus size. So what will happen now?
For minus side for minus side of natural magnifications, we will have the distance of our image is positive.
Okay, because this now is a real image.
Yes, it is real image.
The image is inverted. So the image should be real, and the image produced by concave spherical mirror. So here should be concave. Okay. Okay. And how about the focal length?
The focal length here will be let me calculate again.
You can use this F equal.
Yes. The focal length here will be 8.
Okay. We can use F equal I times P over I plus P. And we got here H, right?
Yes, H.
And then it should be 16.
Should be 60.
And how about the, this is a real image?
Yes.
I'm sorry. We should follow here is inverted because in the previous slide, we don't care this column. So you put here, plus side is not correct. Okay.
Yes.
Do you understand? Because I see now in this column H, you have inverted image. So the side here should be negative, not positive, like we do before, right? So now we should correct here. Okay. It must be minus here. It cannot be positive, right? Because we don't consider the H column with the direction of the image. So now we should fill here minus sign because the image is inverted. Okay. And in 18, you should put here concave spherical mirror with the object distance 24. The lateral magnification is minus 0.5, right?
Yes.
And now it's correct. Okay. If we put here in each column NI, the results should be like we do before in this slide. Okay. Thank you. Who can continue with problem 19? Huyền Anh.
Vâng ạ.
Okay.
Câu số 19.
Yeah. 19.
19.
What you have now?
So the first I see the R in minus
40.
minus 14, and so is the convex mirror.
Convex mirror, spherical.
Convex.
Okay. So you should fill in the A column. It's convex. Okay.
Convex.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
And how about the focal length?
F. Yes.
Minus
F equal
20, right? Because F equal R over 2.
Half.
Okay, a half of radius.
Yes.
And now you
20.
have okay, you have image distance I equal minus 10.
Minus 10. So either real.
No. So the image is real or virtual?
Minus and is a virtual.
Okay, virtual image.
Virtual.
And how about P?
And I have P equal 20.
So you can use P equal I times F over I minus F, right? And you put I equal minus 10 and F equal minus 20.
Minus 20.
Okay, so
So
what you get here?
P equal 20.
Plus sign, right?
Plus.
Okay.
Okay. And M equal minus I over P. So M equal plus 0.5.
Okay. Plus 0.5.
0.5.
Okay. And how about the duration of image?
Em cũng không rõ.
Inverted or non-inverted? It should be non-inverted because the image the same size with the same direction with the object because magnification positive, right? And how about the size? Same size or opposite size?
Same size.
Okay. The second one should be the same size, but the third should be opposite, right? Okay.
Thầy bảo bà M thầy bảo là M dương thế nên là 5 inverted đúng không ạ?
Yes.
Và nó đối diện à?
Opposite is the opposite size of the object. Because in this case, the image is virtual, so the image is behind the mirror, but the object is in front of mirror. So this is in opposite size.
Vâng ạ.
Ok. Các bạn hiểu kỹ không đây? Nói tóm lại là để hiểu kỹ cái phần này là các bạn phải nắm cực kỳ cẩn thận và cực kỳ là chắc cái tính chất tạo ảnh của gương cầu lõm cũng như gương cầu lồi. Đấy. Bây giờ nói lại ba cái ví dụ điển hình này nhá. Ở cái ví dụ 17 là nó cho mình cái gì nào? Dữ kiện cho mình ở đây là cộng 10, 20 và concave, tức là gương lõm này. Gương lõm mà ở đây nó ghi F là 20 thì mình phải điền dấu cộng vào đấy, bởi vì là cái tiêu cự của nó phải dương, gọi là cái focal length phải dương này. Và tương ứng với lại thì là cái bán kính cũng phải dương, là mình phải điền là cộng 40 này. Thế còn đầu bài cho P là bằng 10 cộng 10, tức là trong tất cả những cái bài đây thì chúng ta đều quan tâm đến vật thật, tức là real object, và do đó là trong trường hợp này là P bằng cộng 10 này. Như vậy áp dụng công thức là Y thì bằng gì? Ở đây từ cái công thức là 1 trên Y cộng 1 trên P bằng 1 trên F, thì chúng ta có thể dùng những cái công thức này để tính cho nó nhanh. Đây là P nhân F này, chia cho P trừ F này. Đấy. Ok chưa? Thế thì nếu như mà biết được P là bằng dương 10 này, F là bằng dương 20 thì tính được Y đúng không? Y lúc ấy là sẽ thành là 10 nhân với lại 20 chia cho 10 trừ 20 tức là bằng trừ 20. Trừ 20 có nghĩa là ảnh này là ảnh ảo, cho nên là có thể điền vào đây là chữ V, tức là ảnh ảo, virtual này. Thế còn magnification là trừ Y trên P này, ở đây là trừ của trừ 10 chia cho gì? Trừ của trừ 20 chia cho 10 đúng không? Như vậy là bằng dương 2. Tức là ảnh ảo này tạo bởi một cái gương cầu lõm thì nó gấp 2 lần vật. Và đương nhiên là nó cùng chiều với vật, cho nên ở đây chúng ta phải điền là NI bởi vì là non-inverted. Thế còn ảnh ảo thì bao giờ nó ở phía sau gương, còn ảnh thật thì ở phía trước gương, tức là cùng phía với ảnh thật thì nó cùng phía với lại vật, và ảnh ảo thì nó khác phía đối với lại vật, cho nên chúng ta điền opposite side ở đây, được chưa nào? Đấy, các bạn hiểu rõ cái bài này chưa? Như vậy tương tự như vậy là còn đến tận cái ví dụ thứ 29 thì các bạn về các bạn tự làm, các bạn điền nốt nhé. Ở đây có một cái rất là đặc biệt, đấy là cái 28 này, bạn nào thử điền cho mình cái 28 luôn. Có gì đặc biệt ở cái 28 này không? Có gì đặc biệt ở cái 28 để mình tắt đi rồi mình bật lại nhé. Bởi vì nó sắp bị hết cái thời lượng 45 phút.
Recording.